Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now in this tutorial we will create an assembly. We created parts earlier, so simplified version of this toy train that's long about 10 inches. So let's just click on new and click on assembly. Okay, and let's just add some of our parts. So we have some of them here. Let's just insert main body. I think we will need to modify our parts a bit. So let's just go here, see main body, and let's just add this card to see what happens. So insert train card. Okay, great. And let's just insert mates. So click on mate, this and this, coincidence, great. Okay, now let's say this here is coincident with this, and let's just select this plane and this plane. Okay, coincident and close. Okay, now let's just really fast edit this. So this one here, let's just edit this feature, and instead of selecting this face, we'll select that. Okay, let's just delete all of these. So let's click this plane and this. Now click OK. Great, that's more like it. Now let's insert these wheels that we have. So small wheel, we need 4 of them, right? We can just click on this surface, click mate, click on this, click OK, and make this concentric. Okay, looks decent. Let's just add another one, or we can, let's just add another one. So now we can make these coincident and make these concentric. Now we can add reference geometry plane. So let's wait for a while. Click here and say 1 inch. Just flip offset. Yeah, that's it. Click OK. And now let's just use this plane to mirror components. So this wheel and this wheel, click OK. Now we have those 4 wheels. Great. And let's add this front part here. So let's just insert. No, let's just choose from here. So from bumper. Great. Let's just mate this surface and this. Okay, great. And let's just say this is one inch from here. Okay, like that. And let's just check this plane here. Okay, we can mate this right plane with display. Okay, now we have that. Now it starts to look like the one from the image. Now let's just add these 4 chimneys. So first let's add train main chimney. So train main chimney. Okay, great. Let's add mate with this circle, and let's see if we can just click here, and let's just click this. No, we can't. If we click here, it will look strange. So instead of making it coincident, we will just say one. So let's just flip dimension. Let's say 0.5. Okay, 0.4. Just to make it look nice. Great. Now let's just insert these chimneys. So train chimney 1. This one. Insert. No, mate, sorry. So this, and also let's just mate this. Okay, mate this with that. Click OK. Okay, it looks good. Chimney 2. Same thing. Which one is chimney 2? This, maybe. Okay. Let's just say this is 1 inch flip dimension. Let's just put it like this. Okay. And let's just add chimney number 3. So a small one. Click on mate. There. Click on this surface. This, let's just say again. Like this. Okay. So we have all those. Now all we need to add is this front thing and our cabin. So that front thing is called front part. So let's just add that. Mate with this. This edge with this. Great. And let's just select this plane and this plane. Okay, great. Now we have that, and let's just add train, cabin, room. Okay, click here, mate, click there. Okay, this surface, and let's just click on this and this line. Now it's decent. Great. Now all we need to add now are our wheels. So train main wheel. Let's just add this. So Control 1, and I think it should be somewhere in this vicinity. Okay, so let's just create a sketch on this front plane. Let's just add line here. This should be tangent, and this should be tangent as well. Okay, let's just delete this. Do we need that? Okay, so let's just create this to help us a bit. So we can add this first wheel to let's just edit this a bit. So click on edit part, save and continue. Okay, so let's save this in our train English, train assembly, click save, and let's just create a sketch here, Control 8, and let's just create a circle, maybe there. Okay, I think it's 0.125. Okay, let's say this dimension here is 0.65 and this here is 3.375. Okay, now let's just add another one, or we can just use a linear pattern for this. Let's say 4 inches or 2.5. Okay, great. Now let's just extrude these. Let's say 0.25, even more, 0.375. Okay, and let's just use this front plane to mirror these entities, so features to mirror this. Great. Now let's just exit our part, and let's click on mates, select this plane, okay, and this and that. Okay, so let's just Control 1. Okay, I think that's pretty decent. Let's just add another wheel here. And let's just mate with this and mate these. So it looks okay. Yeah, maybe we should move this wheel a bit, but we won't bother with that. Let's just now go to mirror components and click on this wheel and on this wheel and click OK. And there you have our small train. Okay, let's just save this. Let's just create, if this is front plane and I want this to be like that, let's just go like this and update this to be front view. Okay, Control 7, and there you go. Okay, so just save our assembly and click on Save All and exit our assembly.